Welcome to the Art Lady's Garden, and I am going to show you what it looks like right now in July. And this is July in Central Florida. And I've started working in the backyard, restoring it to what it used to be. And then we started working on the landscaping here in the back since our pool was built. Here we have a little stone or brick path, and this was done about 25 years ago. And originally I wanted the bricks to be raised on both sides, creating raised beds. And of course I haven't finished that yet. That's on my to-do list project. And both sides of these flower beds need to be restored and redone since it's been neglected for so many years. All of the tall red plants you're seeing here are pagodas, a Japanese pagoda plant it's called. And these take almost no care and no fertilization. Like I said, this garden has been neglected for many years. And this is what I have. This is the result of it, what it looks like. It's kind of an overgrown jungle, and we're going to be restoring this. I started working on this path since the pool was built. And so this cement stepping stone path is new. And also the brick wall that you're seeing to the very right, or left, I'm sorry, the left is new. And I'm going to be making one on the right as well. But this is the very entrance into the backyard. And to the right here, this is the older section because this wasn't destroyed. Ouch. Now the section on the left-hand side that you're seeing now, this is the older section. And in this older section, none of this had been destroyed from the pool build. The dirt actually just came up to that just hand-piled brick wall. And eventually that's going to be bricked in. And this is just 25 years of growth. And when I moved in, there was absolutely nothing back here. None of these trees. Now to the left of this area is the newer section because this had been all torn up from the pool build. And so they even, dug down right to the good topsoil was removed. I didn't plan on having them do all that, but just happened as they drove their trucks over it. I'll show you what it looked like. And I'll give you a sweeping view of this area. And then this comes right up to the pool. It's kind of a large oval area. Now I've switched positions and I'm in the oval area looking at the circular area. And this is the area that had not been disturbed with the pool build. And I have some older trees here that I've had for many years, and then a mixture of newer plants as well. In the back here, to the very right, that giant palm is a fishtail palm, and that's about 20 years old. And I started out with one little sprig, about 4 inches tall, and it grew into this large clump, which is quite beautiful and gives complete privacy. And then this is the view coming out of the garden into the brick path that I just walked through. And I do have one lonely red bromelid popping up, blooming now. Normally they bloom in September. Right here. And it covers this tree. So this is just the quick overview of the backyard. Here's a close-up of the oval section. And that statue was actually given to me. My sister's a pool builder and she restores pools as well, and somebody was actually just wanting to throw it away. So I was lucky enough to be given that by her. And again, this is the newer section that was planted last year. So quite a bit of growth in 1 year. And then I'm going to show you down the side yard here. And this is, a lot of this I planted last year as well, to get privacy for the pool. And here's the view walking down from the behind the pool, coming in. You can see how I'm restoring these walls and building them. I haven't finished yet. And I wanted some grass, so I did just two little, a circle and an oval. And this is evening sun on this area. And it doesn't get bright sun like this for too long. So it doesn't stay shaded all day, but mainly just late evening sun. And again, this is the section that's older. This is inside the pool area, and I absolutely love planting flowers so that I can enjoy them while I'm swimming in the pool. And the pagodas put on an amazing show. There's the view. And those are, I believe, a lady finger palm. And they grow very slow. And then there's a bird of paradise at the bottom. And I planted them there because they grow very slow. That way they won't grow out of that little pots or that little planter. And it's so beautiful and so relaxing, even just sitting in this shelf. This is actually my sister's favorite place to sit when she comes over.